Good evening and welcome to the news. First, let's take a look at the headlines. Prime Minister Narendra Modi emphasizes to empower farmers with digital and innovative technologies to ensure world food and nutritional security. Press Information Bureau, in collaboration with Central Bureau of Communication Shillong, organizes Vartalap and exhibition. Chairperson of the State Commission for Women with Non-Political Connections will be appointed, says Social Welfare Minister Paul Lingdor. And QIT will be rescheduled for students allotted centres outside the state, says Education Minister Rakam A. Sangma. The news in detail. Prime Minister Narendra Modi has emphasized empowering farmers with digital and innovative technologies for ensuring world food and nutritional security. He addressed the G20 delegates at the Agriculture Ministers meeting being held in Hyderabad through a video link. Sharing the country's experience, the Prime Minister said India is following a policy back to basics and marching to the future, promoting technology and animal farming. He said farmers across India are not using synthetic fertilizers and they are following soil protection practices, promoting organic fertilizer and proactively using technology. He said farmers in India are using solar power for farming and optimizing resources.
Traditional practices from different parts of the world may inspire us to develop alternative for regenerative agriculture. We need to empower our farmers with innovation and digital technology. We must also make solutions affordable for small and marginal farmers in the global south. There is also an urgent need to reduce agriculture and food waste and instead invest in creating wealth from waste.
The Press Information Bureau, in collaboration with Central Bureau of Communication Shillong, organizes Vartalap, an exhibition, a celebration of 9 years of Seva, Sushasan and Garib Kalyan, highlighting the initiative and efforts undertaken by the Government of India in the city. Speaking at the gathering, the Meghalaya Governor Phagu Chauhan said that the year 2023 marks 9 years of the Union Government. The three words Seva, Sushasan and Garib Kalyan define the journey of the 9 years of Narendra Modi's government. He also said that our Northeast, with its unique cultures and dynamic people, is witnessing an unprecedented pace of progress. From infrastructural developments to enhanced connectivity, the government is unlocking the immense potential of this region.
हमारे यहाँ यशस्वी प्रधानमंत्री माननीय श्री नरेंद्र मोदी जी के नेतृत्व में भारत पर्यावरण संरक्षण की तरह ही अपनी समृद्ध संस्कृति, विरासत, लक्षण और संवर्धन के लिए प्रतिबद्ध है। संयुक्त राष्ट्र ने 21 जून को अंतर्राष्ट्रीय योग दिवस के रूप में घोषित किया है, जो भारत की विरासत की एक वैश्विक मान्यता की स्वीकृति है।
Responding to the reasons behind the removal of Pidalia toy as the chairperson of the Meghalaya State Commission for Women, Social Welfare Minister Paul Lingdor said it was not his personal decision to remove Pidalia toy from the post of MSCW chairperson. Rather, she has been removed after an inquiry into allegations of violation of the Women's Commission Act. Lingdor also said that she had failed to attend the prescribed number of meetings of the commission. Along with this, he also informed that this time the state government has decided to appoint a woman with no political affiliation as the chairperson of the State Women's Commission, whose selection process is going on.
The cabinet will be informed and the reasons will be cited, and there will be constitution of fresh body or the appointment of a new chairperson. These will be subsequently reviewed, but initially what we intend to do is have a search committee so that we get the best possible person to serve as chairperson.
Education Minister Rakame Sangma on Thursday informed that QIT will be rescheduled for students allotted centres outside the state and they will be given another opportunity to write the examination. Briefing media persons, the Education Minister said that the Union Ministry of Education has directed the National Testing Agency to reschedule the QIT entrance test for Meghalaya students.
Inform to all the students of the state, those who are going to appear for CUT examination. So we have informed by the Ministry and the NTA, the Honorable Chief Minister, and the government has taken up the matter with the Ministry. We have been informed that for those affected students, in view of the center allotment in Ranchi and other parts of the country, will be rescheduled, and they will be given another opportunity to appear for the CUT examination this time.
The valedictory function for the state-level science, mathematics and environment exhibition for children 2022-2023 was held at the state headquarters of Bharat Scouts and Guides. Speaking on the occasion, Commissioner and Secretary Praveen Bakshi highlighted the steps taken by the department to equip students with better infrastructure in their studies. Asking students to work hard to achieve success in their lives, Bakshi said that such platforms instill more confidence in students. Later, prizes were also distributed to the participants. Other officials of the Education Department were also present on the occasion.
Being here in your midst and witness all the wonderful models which you have created so painstakingly, with so much of hard work, with so much of planning, and it makes me very, very proud. Let me tell each one of the participants that the models of your school are very good. You have put in a lot of hard work into it. It shows, and the explanation behind it also is very good. It means that you have also done your homework, you have done your research on it, and you have adopted the theme also very well.
The Clear Riyadh Police, along with the ANTF wing of East Janta Hills District, arrested 2 drug smugglers from different locations in East Janta Hills District on Thursday. According to the police, they have arrested 2 people. The police found 33 soap cases of heroin weighing 353.34 grams hidden behind a Scorpio and 278.3 grams of heroin hidden in 26 soap cases. They are now in police custody under the NDPS Act, and the case has been registered at Clear Riyadh Police Station. Meghalaya BJP on Friday organized a bonding of culture and tradition in the party office in Shillong as part of the Goa Statehood Day celebrations under the banner of Ek Bharat Shrestha Bharat. The program was attended by Goa Minister Nilesh Cabral in the presence of Sunil Dhiodar, the National General Secretary of the BJP and North-East in charge Ek Bharat Shrestha Bharat program. BJP State President Ernest Mari among other party leaders addressing the gathering. Goa Minister Nilesh Cabral said it is not easy to celebrate someone else's statehood day in another state. He is grateful to the organizers for making this a reality because this concept initiated by Prime Minister Narendra Modi will further strengthen the bond of brotherhood among all citizens.
And there are all. And when we talk about what is Ek Bharat, Shrestha Bharat, I think the idea behind this is to take our country into one direction. I always tell when I speak to my people in my constituency, I come from a constituency where we have all similar logistics like this, and we come like this, only mountain tops and mountain hills. I don't know how many people of you have been to Goa, but we have both the sides. We have the sea on one side and we have the mountains on the other side. So we come almost on a similar area from what you are all.
The weather report. The maximum temperature was 25 degrees Celsius and the minimum temperature was 15.6 degrees Celsius. Relative humidity in the morning was 96% while in the evening was 67%. Forecast light to moderate rain is very likely to occur at most places. And before we wind up, here are the headlines once again. Prime Minister Modi emphasizes to empower farmers with digital and innovative technologies to ensure world food and nutritional security. Press Information Bureau, in collaboration with Central Bureau of Communication, Shillong, organizes Vartalab and exhibition. Chairperson of the State Commission for Women with Non-Political Connections will be appointed, says Social Welfare Minister Paul Linglong. And QUT will be rescheduled for students allotted centres outside the state, says Education Minister Rakam A. Sang. And that's all we have in the news for today. Until we meet again tomorrow at the same time, same channel. Good night.